Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create flower language name bouquet wallpaper without using TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to download this application on your mobile phone. And after you have downloaded and installed this application on your mobile phone, you can open it. And then you can go to the DIY wallpaper. Okay, and since we want to create the flower language name bouquet wallpaper, we can choose this one. Okay, and you can customize the design according to your needs. And for example, I'm going to replace the ribbon. I'm not going to use it. And I'm going to go to the sticker option. And I'm going to select the flower. You can type in your name. I'm just going to type in like this. And we can move it right here. I'm going to make it bigger like this. You can arrange the flower as creative as you can. Right, guys. Okay, like this. You can add more flower if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to add the ribbon. I'm going to go to the sticker and choose the ribbon. I'm going to go with this one. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay. Alright, and if you want to take a look at the preview, you can click on the preview. And this is the preview of the wallpaper when you apply it to your phone. Right? And then if you want to save the wallpaper, you can click on save. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create flower language name bouquet wallpaper. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.